Welcome to Mastering the Art, a step-by-step guide to starting your own painting business. Are you ready to turn your passion for painting into a profitable business? Then this guide is for you. Step 1. Develop your skills and knowledge. Take painting classes, experiment with different techniques, and study color theory to become a true master in your craft. Step 2. Create a business plan. Determine your target market, define your services, and set pricing strategies to ensure your business's success. Step 3. Build your brand. Create a memorable logo and design eye-catching promotional materials. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and gain a following. Step 4. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses. Research your local regulations and ensure you comply with all legal requirements. Step 5. Equip yourself with the right tools. Invest in high-quality brushes, rollers, paint sprayers, and ladders. Don't forget safety equipment to keep yourself and your team protected. Step 6. Network and establish relationships. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and build connections with suppliers and contractors for future collaborations. Step 7. Market your services. Advertise in local newspapers, create a professional website, and offer special promotions to attract clients. Step 8. Provide exceptional customer service. Always be punctual, courteous, and professional. Focus on delivering high-quality work and exceed your clients' expectations. Step 9. Expand your business. Hire and train a competent team, delegate tasks, and manage projects efficiently to take your business to the next level. Starting your own painting business may seem challenging, but with dedication and the right skills, it can be an incredibly rewarding venture. Thanks for watching Mastering the Art, a step-by-step guide to starting your own painting business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.